2026 will not change your life. Not by itself. A new year, a new month, a new week. None of these things will magically transform you. What will change your life is the mindset you carry into it. The Stoics understood something we often forget. Your life doesn't get better by chance. It gets better by habit. And if you want 2026 to be the year you finally become disciplined, focused, emotionally stronger, and truly unstoppable, then these 5 Stoic habits are not optional. They are essential. Today, you will learn the same habits used by Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, Epictetus. Habits that build a life of calm power. Habits that turn chaos into clarity. Habits that will shape who you become long after 2026 ends. So take a breath, slow down for a moment, and listen. Because what you're about to hear may change the way you approach the next 12 months of your life. Habit 1. Master your emotions before they master you. One of Marcus Aurelius's most powerful lines is simple. You have power over your mind, not outside events. We hear this quote all the time, but very few people actually live it. Most people in 2026 will wake up emotionally reactive. They will be controlled by notifications, opinions, comments, fears, and insecurities. Someone will say something on the internet, and their entire day will fall apart. Traffic will annoy them. Work pressure will break them. A small setback will ruin their whole week. But Stoics practice the opposite. They don't suppress emotions, they manage them. They create space between what happens and how they respond. Here's how you build this habit. Step 1. Pause for 5 seconds before reacting. Every time you feel anger, stress, or irritation, don't respond immediately. The pause is your power. Step 2. Name the emotion. I am feeling angry. I am feeling anxious. When you name it, it loses its control over you. Step 3. Ask this Stoic question. Is this under my control? If yes, act with clarity. If no, let it go. In 2026, you cannot afford to waste emotional energy on things you cannot control. You need clarity, not chaos. You need focus, not frustration. You need calm strength, not impulsive reactions. Emotionally strong people aren't born. They are trained. And this habit is the training. Habit 2. Discipline over motivation. Motivation will not carry you through 2026. It never does. Motivation is like a spark, bright for a moment, then gone. But discipline is fire. It burns even when you don't feel like showing up. Epictetus said, "If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid." Why? Because disciplined people often look strange to others. While everyone else sleeps late, you're awake early. While others scroll endlessly, you are learning, working, improving. While the world is comfortable, you are growing. If you want to become unstoppable in 2026, build this habit. Make one discipline your identity. Not many, not 10, just one. One daily discipline you will follow no matter what. It can be a daily workout, a reading habit, a writing habit, cold showers, meditation, studying a new skill. Pick one discipline and do it every single day for 365 days. Here's the secret Stoic truth. When you master one discipline, the rest of your life falls into order. You start believing in yourself. You start trusting your own word. You stop breaking promises to yourself. By the end of 2026, you will not be the same person. Habit 3. Practice Stoic silence and cut the noise. Silence is not empty. Silence is full of answers. But today, silence has become rare. Every second is filled with noise, screens, content, messages, opinions. We are drowning in information, but starving for wisdom. The Stoics valued silence because it creates space for thinking, for clarity, for understanding yourself. Seneca warned us, everywhere is nowhere. When a person spends all his time traveling, he ends up with no time to think. In modern terms, when you spend all your time scrolling, you have no time to grow. Here's the habit you need for 2026. The Stoic silence ritual. Every day, spend 10 minutes in complete silence. No phone, no music, no distractions. Just you and your mind. Use these 10 minutes to reflect, think, review, plan, understand your emotions, reset your thoughts. Silence is where wisdom grows. Silence is where strength develops. Silence is where your life direction becomes clear. Practice silence daily and watch how your anxiety drops, your focus sharpens, and your decisions become stronger. 2026 will be a noisy year, but you don't have to live a noisy life. Habit 4. Practice daily reflection. The Marcus Aurelius method. Marcus Aurelius wrote Meditations, not for the world, but for himself. Daily reflection is the most powerful Stoic habit because it forces you to confront who you are and who you are becoming. Marcus ended every day by reviewing 3 things. 1. What did I do well today? 2. What could I have done better? 3. What will I improve tomorrow? This is not journaling for the sake of journaling. This is self-mastery. Reflection turns experience into wisdom. Without reflection, your days pass, but you don't grow. Your weeks pass, but nothing changes. Your years pass, but you remain the same. But with reflection, every day makes you better. Every mistake becomes a lesson. Every success becomes a pattern. Every weakness becomes a target for improvement. Here is your 2026 reflection habit. Every night, write 5 lines. Just 5. What I learned, what I struggled with, what I'm grateful for, what I will improve. 1 promise for tomorrow. This habit will transform your mindset. It will make you more aware, more disciplined, more intentional. It will turn your thoughts into clarity, and your clarity into action. Habit 5. Detach from outcomes. Focus on action. This is the hardest habit, and the most important. Epictetus said, "Make the best use of what is in your power, and take the rest as it happens." Stoics don't chase outcomes. They master actions. If you only focus on results, you will constantly feel frustrated. Why am I not rich yet? Why am I not successful yet? Why is my life not improving fast enough? Here's how to practice the Stoic action formula. Step 1. Set a clear direction. I want to improve my health, career, relationships, mindset. Step 2. Create daily actions. I will train today. I will study today. I will save today. I will improve today. Step 3. Let go of the result. Don't obsess over the finish line. Just take the next step. This is what makes Stoics powerful. Their success does not depend on motivation, luck, or perfect conditions. Their success depends on discipline in the present moment. When you focus on action, success becomes inevitable, not because you're lucky, but because you're consistent. 2026 can be your year, not because the world will change, but because you will. If you practice these 5 Stoic habits, your life will shift in ways you cannot imagine. You will become calmer. You will make better decisions. You will stop reacting emotionally. You will build discipline. You will understand yourself deeply. You will feel stronger, clearer, more grounded. And when storms come, and they always do, you will stand firm. Not because life is easy, but because you have learned how to carry your mind with strength. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good person should be. Be one." Don't wait for 2026 to change you. Start becoming the person you want to be today. The Stoic path is simple. Control what you can. Let go of what you cannot. Build habits that shape your character. And live each day with intention. If you do this, 2026 won't just be another year. It will be the year you rise. The year you transform. The year you become unshakable.